Get him a drink.
Time out. What's this from? Get him a drink of water, go, Jay.
Primo!
I just want to say thank you for my sister. I'm talking. Woman.
Don't you take that shit out of Randy!
Your wife's gonna hide your little blue pills. Be careful.
Those smilings are trying to fry.
I know, man. Those are daggers. I just want to say thank you, everybody, for coming. And thank you for my son, Andre. Because if it wasn't for Andre coming here, we probably wouldn't get together.
It's true. It's true. That's
Here.
true.
I hate Andre. Me too. So I want to thank everybody for coming down. I really do, man. And the older I get, the more I realize that it's family, man.
That's right.
It's family. It's not money. It's not what you got or what you don't have. The people that you really love.
It's not like you.
Those are the people right here. People that you really love. So thank you, everybody, for coming. And to my son, Andre. God bless you, my son. And when you go back to Iraq, just be careful.
Third time's a charm,
And
right?
happy
Third time's a charm.
Thank
Salud.
Happy birthday, Damian and Anthony.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hey, bro! Did I just turn 40?
Oh my God!
So disrespectful.
So disrespectful.
Hey, it's okay because we have Andre.
As long as we have Andre, we're good.
It's okay. Andre's here. We're good. Don't worry about it.
Oh, God.
I love you guys. I did remember. See?
I know. Thanks,
it was
Sister
me.
Sid.
It was me, Andre's girlfriend. Andre's girlfriend. I love everybody but him.
My father showed up.
Hey, bro.
It was me. It was me.
Yeah, guys, Andre getting shit.
Always. I'm the better version of Andre.
I know it.